Here, so we want to put same table here, small table, with chair, office chair. This actually we have to put more. Can you please advise me?
Sir, if you go from here 2.5 there until there 2.5, sir. So sir, this is the one you are buying before, this one. And this is the one is joined. Now if you want same this one now, so stock is 2 pieces only, including this one and 1 piece in the warehouse. Now the stock is coming on uh, first week of June. So sir, another option, okay, you see this one, right? This is you want to take. This is separate also. But the size of this one is 1.6 size. 1.6 size including of this division. So this is face to face also, sir. Face to face. So the price of this one is 1,450 last. If you want like this, sir, this one is available. See this one, sir? So this is face to face. Okay. So this is face to face including this cabinet. So if you want like this, sir, so I think we have stocks. So you can take it this one. Sir, the first part 1,150 something like this face to face, okay? And then this one is the 1,000. The second part is joined together. Now if you want 8 or 10 person, you need to buy 3 of this one. And then additional like this. So this is joined together. So that's why less the price. First, you need to buy this one. So now this is the first part. This is the joined together. Okay, now you want 8 person in one room. So you need to buy first one this one, and this one is the 3 one. So 8 person can sit. Okay. If you want 10, so you need to add this one like this. Yung coming design. Left and right sculpture. Gray color and black color available. Regarding for the quotation, sir.